I wanted to know the truth, so I did something different. I took the entire Skillora Digital course and I ran it through ChatGPT to ask one simple question. How does this compare to the top digital marketing courses out there? I didn't just want feedback. I wanted an honest evaluation. From something that had seen everything else on the market, I asked ChatGPT to analyze the structure, the clarity, the uniqueness, the practical value, and whether this course would actually help someone, especially someone over 40, succeed in digital marketing. And here's what it told me. Compared to popular courses like Iman Gaji's Agency Navigator, Russell Brunson's ClickFunnels programs, and even structured learning paths on Coursera and Udemy, Skillora Digital stood out for 3 big reasons. First, it doesn't assume you're already tech-savvy. It's built for people who feel like they've been left behind by the digital world, which, let's be honest, is most people over 40. Second, it doesn't overload you with theory. Every lesson ends with real steps you can take, right now. That's something most big-name courses completely miss. And third, it focuses on experience-based marketing, instead of chasing trends. Skillora teaches you how to use your life and business experience to win in the digital space. That's not just smart, it's revolutionary. But here's the part that hit me. The AI said, this course wasn't just good for beginners, it was actually better for most real people than the advanced stuff that assumes you already know how to run funnels and ad accounts. In its words, Skillora Digital bridges the gap between life experience and modern digital skills, something the market has been missing. I'll take that. And if you're sitting there wondering if you're too late for this whole digital world, let me just say this. I built this course for people like me, and now I know it works. If you're ready to stop feeling behind and start building something real, click the link below and let's get started.